Wow, look at his hands. They're so fast. My god. Hello there and welcome once again to our channel. Right now we are in Patong in Phuket and it's 8 o'clock in the evening. And that's the view from our hotel balcony. The place you see down there is OTOP market and that's Hard Rock Cafe out there. But today we'll try something different, something more closer to the common masses. We're going to try some street food at the night markets of Patong. So let's get along. We are just below our hotel, Ashlee Hub in Patong. And right here is our first pit stop for the night, OTOP market. Apart from being a normal night market, there is a section out here which is strictly drinks bars. You can see this place has so many umbrella shaped canopies and there are counters where you can have your drinks and listen to loud music. The music out here is actually very loud, although there are not many people out here now, but the music never gets low and it will continue to be like this long hours after midnight. Out here it actually feels rather noisy than just music. During the day, this place is mostly asleep, but once afternoon, activity starts and it gets transformed into a busy street food market. I generally love fries and out here it was a treasure trove for me. I love the fish fries especially and the ones they serve here are very delicious. But apart from fries, you'll also get other food, both cooked and uncooked as well. As you all know that Phuket is very hot and you need your fluids regularly, we opted for a couple of glasses of mango shake, which the guy is currently making for us. Being a hot country, you'll find fruit juice shops not just here but all over the tourist places in Thailand. Well, our shake is ready. See ya after the sip. We are now moving out of the OTOP market, as we shall be visiting some other places. We have heard that there is a place called Malin Plaza and another called Dragon Market, where there is less crowd and cheaper and better food. So, we are going there right now. Well guys, as we are going to our destination, let me give you a quick glimpse into this place. Here are a few of the biggest attractions of Phuket. First, we have the Central shopping mall, and on the other side there is the Jungcelyon, which is one of the largest shopping malls in Asia. And finally, there is Bangla Road. Yep, you guessed it right, there it is. But for now, there will be separate videos for Jungcelyon and Bangla Road, and the links will be given in the description and our channel in due time. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and slap the bell icon to see it before others. Folks, we are now walking towards Malin Plaza, and this place is about 15 minutes walk from OTOP market. It is a semi-organized local market where you'll get all sorts of things like fruits, vegetables, fish and seafood, as well as cooked meals. In fact, food out here is much cheaper than in OTOP market. And we found many locals dining out here. Wow, that's a nice bike. If you want to buy clothes or souvenirs, I would suggest you to come here, as you will get things at a cheaper price than that in OTOP market or around Bangla Road. So we move toward a final destination, Dragon Market. This is a street food night market opposite Malin Plaza, and food is cheaper out here compared to OTOP. The place is also less crowded and the atmosphere out here is calm and less noisy. Tonight, we have opted for the famous Thailand ice cream roll. It's an unique experience in itself, watching the process of the ice cream being made in front of you. You can see how the guys mixing the flavors together with those spatulas. And look at his hands, they're so fast. You can see the guy is mixing the ingredients and then he'll spread it across the bowl and he'll cut and slice up rolls and serve it to us. We've opted for the Nutella and the peanut butter flavor along with chocolate. It costs you around 80 baht, which is around 20 baht less than the price in Bangla Road or in OTOP market. There are the toppings, and out here you can see there is a menu, the things they serve: Oreo, vanilla, chocolate, banana, M&M, different flavors. And there are fruit flavors as well, combo fruit flavors: yogurt, strawberry, Oreo, coconut. And there's another coconut mixed flavor, banana, strawberry. And where you can see that the rolls are ready, and the guy is putting the rolls in the tub. It's 5 rolls, and it's quite solid by now, the rolls. It was liquid a few minutes back before the mixing. So there you go, that's the ice cream. And you're allowed to add 2 dry toppings. So we chose marshmallow and another dry thing, it was colorful. And you can add 3 liquid toppings, and you can see Emma out here, she is joyfully adding them. Oh, well, what's that? Okay, butterscotch. Oh man, you spilled that. It looks tasty, it looks delicious. So let's enjoy. Well guys, that was our experience of street food at the night markets of Phuket. Hope you liked our work. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button. And newcomers, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Till then, bon appetit!